been a year since I redid my whole snow removal system. First tool I've been using is this backpack blower. It's actually been working quite good. Today's snow was just a dusting, so I included this footage from a previous storm that left a few inches of similar snow. It's relatively light and dry. Second tool I've been using is this power shovel by Ego. It's been pretty good. I use this on heavier wet snow if I get that, which the blower just won't move. But in today's case, it's quite cold. So this snowstorm, the blower worked quite well, but there's still a place for this thing. Overall, I've probably only had to use this in the last year, maybe 10 times. The battery has been quite reliable, no noticeable difference in runtime, still like new. There is one piece, and it's my fault. A little bit of damage here on the thrower. And that is from a landscape rock. One of these I wedged in there. I got too close to one of these areas. It sucked it up. And it wedged itself in there pretty good, so I had to take it apart to get that out. Still works fine, but did do a little damage to the plastic. Even with this very light, dry snow, the power shovel does still have its place. Here, where the plow moves around snow and piles it up, it compacts it quite a bit. There's also chunks of ice in this, which the power shovel handles just fine. I have not had any damage to the plastic components due to ice or snow chunks, just with that rock that I got wedged in there. Also on these areas of higher snowbanks, as long as it's not one giant chunk of ice, you can eat away at it from top to bottom, and it does a pretty good job of getting the snow out of the way. As you can see, I'm not real picky about driving on the driveway if there's snow on it. if I'm coming home and there's snow on it, I'm not gonna park out in the road and do the driveway. I'm gonna come in the garage, then take care of it. So that leaves a little snow on the driveway. It's still functional. There's dry pavement for the Amazon guy to walk up and down and not slip. That's all I care about. So there is a wear item on here. The bottom edge that scrapes across the ground. A lot of life left in it for me after 1 year. The thickness of this will wear down, and you have to replace it over time. But I would say, based on the current wear, it's gonna take me 5 years to wear through this. Again, I've got a relatively small driveway, and I've used it maybe a dozen times for the entire driveway over the last year, and still quite happy with it. It would be nice to have a wider cutting width. It would make a lot less time, but it's nice to be able to store this in a very small location. The other head is useful for summer gardening tools, and overall I'm quite happy with this. It just simplifies the whole structure. I don't have to store a snow blower or even shovels for that matter. I don't even have any shovels, and just makes life simpler. Less is more, in my opinion. That's the update on the Eagle Power Shovel and using the blower to remove snow. I'm ready for winter to be over so I can get back to the lawn and testing out robot lawnmowers and lawn care. But it's only early February, and unfortunately, this isn't going away anytime soon for us. Thanks for watching. Adios.